Rochester. It's the wrong Rochester.
Are you sure?
Positive.
Why?
Because we're still in Iowa.
Mm. You know we're coming up on the biggest truck stop in the world, just outside of Davenport, Iowa.
You want to stop?
Yeah, I want to stop. Exit 284, 10 miles. Woohoo! This is very exciting. Biggest truck stop in the world. I'm gonna buy like a hat or something. I bet they have all sorts of pickled foods, beef jerkies, weird chips, and fireworks, of course, because we're in Iowa.
We're not getting any fireworks.
I know. So,
I'm wet.
You'll notice we're going to probably be inside for the most of the night because one thing about the East Coast this year is it's been perpetually underwater. I'm still going to make a fire outside. Yeah, it's been raining since we crossed the Nebraska line.
Yeah, pretty much. So the past 2 days we were in Des Moines, Iowa. And the first day it was nice and sunny. Second day, though, it was
sprinkly
all day. But, you know, it was beautiful.
It was really nice, yeah. Felt good. Everybody's saying it's been raining since March
here.
So,
like up and down the East Coast and further inward.
I'm into it. Whatever. You know, I'm here with you guys.
But we do have to watch out for flooding.
Yeah, we have to watch out for flooding.
So it's a sincere concern driving onward to make sure that we are not going to drive through flood areas.
Onward and upward, not into flooded areas. All right, well, I'm going to go enjoy the rain.
Hanging out with cats and a dog and each other.
It's a great night. She wants soup.
Hey, Ryan. Where are we headed today?
We're going to go south of Chicago, on through our way toward South Bend, Indiana, on our way toward Rochester, New York, on the 80. Looks like this. How's everybody at home following along? Guys excited? You know, we're only about 700 miles away from our final destination, so it looks like we may actually complete this journey. Knock on wood there.
Mommy, you got your coffee?
It is Friday, June 21st.
8:14 in the morning.
This is the second last day. If we make good time today, we can being in Rochester on Saturday. It's a beautiful day.
We're at a rest stop in Ohio, and we just found out they actually have RV hookups for overnight parking. Had no idea. It's like $20, I think, for the night, electricity. And then if you want to pump in the morning, you can do that for free right here as you head out. No water hookup, but there is a water pump right there. Hang out for the night, looks nice and safe. There's even a picnic table all the way back there, and a dog walk area, all sorts of things. Nice job, Ohio. Hey, Ryan.
Discovered there's several different positions you can be in while you're driving this rig. Here's the standard. Relax, I'm in charge. Things are going perfectly. We got the... This is kind of taking a while, a little bit longer than expected. I'm getting a little antsy. And then there's this. This is the... Dear God, we should be there by now. Maybe if I sit closer to the dashboard, we'll get there sooner. Then you got this one, which is basically saying, I don't care about anything. I'm barely holding on, looking at everything but the road, and we're lucky to be alive. Here we are at the winery at Spring Hill outside of Cleveland, Ohio.
Mm-hmm. Our very first Harvest Hosts Day.
Yeah, so we're going to go check it out. There appears to be a nice winery inside. They got live music tonight.
Cider.
A lot of cider. Mm-hmm. We're going to pick up some bottles of wine for our friends and family. If you guys are interested, check out the winery at springhill.com. Telly, it's the longest day of the year and the sun is finally going down.
Amazing.
It's like 9:30 at night p.m.
It's like 8:30, but okay.
See, same thing. Basically, it's almost 9:30. Pretty close. Time to feel good. Morning, Tally.
Morning, Ryan.
What day is it?
It's June 22nd, Saturday.
This is the last day of our trip. Today we arrive in Rochester, New York. After about 4 hours of driving.
5 maybe. Yeah.
Maybe 5. But it looks like we're going to make it, and we wanted to thank you all for joining us. But don't worry, the adventure is not over. We still have to fix this baby up.
We have so much work to do.
So much work to do.
Can't wait.
All right, we'll see you there in Rochester.
But first up today, a stop at Waffle House.
Awesome. What do you think of your first Waffle House experience?
It's not what I expected, but it's really good.
What did you expect? Waffles? Yeah. In the immortal words of Socrates, I ate what?
Wow, your hair is on point today.
I call this last day of the road trip hair. How long have you been on the road, babe?
Almost 2 weeks.
It's about 2 weeks now. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Hi, baby. Where are we?
We are just outside of Buffalo, which means we are about 60 miles from Rochester.
How do you feel about that?
Super good.
We're almost home.
Woohoo!
Well, folks, there it is, our maiden voyage in Gypsy. She made it. And you didn't think we were gonna. Guess we proved you wrong.
We got all the way across the country.
That's just the beginning of the adventure. Stay tuned as we renovate her. So you can see there's some paint right here. Wait till you see what we've done with her.
Renovations are well underway.
So make sure you stay tuned for not just the renovations, but our next big trip. Follow, like, subscribe, share.